Hello children, Ravisa here. Welcome back to the fifth session of India Agriculture, the 10th chapter in the geography section of your social science textbook for class 10. Dear children, in this session we shall continue with the agricultural products of India, wherein we shall discuss the different types of cash crops, condiments, fruits and vegetables. First of all, let's start with the cash crops of India. Major cash crops of India are as follows. Number 1, cotton. Number 2, sugarcane. Number 3, jute. 4, tobacco. And number 5, rubber. First of all, let's begin with cotton. Cotton is a kharif crop. After China, India ranks second in the world in production, usage and export of cotton. Black lava soil, hot, humid climate, 20 to 35 degrees Celsius temperature and 30 to 70 centimeter rainfall are the favorable conditions for cotton crop. The time duration for the cotton crop is about 6 to 8 months. The cotton without seed is known as white gold. Oil extracted from the cotton seeds is used as edible oil. The remaining stuff of cotton seeds is used in making animal fodder. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, etc. are the major cotton producing states in India. Among them, Gujarat stands first in the area sown, production and quality of cotton. In Gujarat, cotton is grown more in Surendranagar, Rajkot, Vadodara, Ahmedabad, Sabarkantha, Mehsana, Bharuch, Kheda, Surat, etc. The farmers in Gujarat use BT cotton seeds to grow cotton crop. So dear children, this was the cotton crop. Now let's move on with sugarcane. Sugarcane is one of the major cash crops of India. After Brazil, India ranks second in the production of sugarcane. Black lava-like alluvial soil, hot and humid climate, 21 degree to 27 degree Celsius temperature, 75 to 100 centimeter rainfall are the favorable conditions for the crop of sugarcane. In India, Uttar Pradesh tops in the area sown, while Maharashtra tops in sugarcane production. यानी टोटल एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड जिसमें शुगरकेन उगाया जाता है वो सबसे ज़्यादा खेती होती है शुगरकेन की उत्तर प्रदेश में, लेकिन प्रोडक्शन में महाराष्ट्र नंबर 1 पे हैं. इन गुजरात डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ऑफ साउथ गुजरात एंड सौराष्ट्र लीड इन द शुगरकेन प्रोडक्शन. So after the sugarcane, now let's move on to the jute crop. Jute is one of the major cash crops of India. Fertile soil of delta region, hot and humid climate, 30 degree to 40 degrees Celsius temperature and more than 100 centimeter rainfall are the favorable conditions for jute crop. Jute fiber is called golden fiber. Jute cloth, gunny bags, mattresses, ropes, bags, footwears, handicraft items, etc. are made from jute. India ranks first in the jute production, while Bangladesh ranks second in jute export in the world. यानी पूरे वर्ल्ड में जूट प्रोडक्शन की अगर बात आती है तो नंबर 1 पे इंडिया है और नंबर 2 पे बांग्लादेश। लेकिन अगर एक्सपोर्ट की बात आती है तो बांग्लादेश नंबर 1 है और इंडिया नंबर 2। India has tough competition with Bangladesh in terms of cheap labor. In India, jute is grown more in the Ganga Delta region in West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Odisha and Uttar Pradesh. After the jute crop, now let's move on to tobacco. Tobacco is a kharif crop. Sandy, loamy soil, 20 degrees Celsius temperature and 100 centimeter rainfall are the favorable conditions for tobacco crop. China, Brazil, India and USA are the leading producers of tobacco in the world. यानी टबेको प्रोडक्शन में नंबर 1 पे है चाइना, नंबर 2 पे ब्राज़ील, नंबर 3 पे इंडिया और नंबर 4 पे यूएसए। In India, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka are the major tobacco producing states in India. In Gujarat, the Charotar region of Kheda district and Anand district, Mehsana, Vadodara and Panchmahal districts are the major tobacco producers. Among them, Gujarat produces 80% of the total tobacco in India. Tobacco is used to make gutka, bidi, cigarette, snuff, etc. Tobacco consumption is harmful to health. Sikkim is the first state to ban tobacco in India. After the tobacco, now let's move on to the next cash crop, that is rubber. Rubber is prepared from the milk oozing out of the latex trees. Latex trees में से निकलने वाले मिल्क में से ये रबर बनाया जाता है। Acetic acid is mixed with the milk collected from the rubber plantations. Then it is heated on low temperature to obtain rubber. This rubber is used in making tires, tubes, etc. Rubber plantations are grown in the regions of hot and humid climate and heavy rainfall. Malaysia ranks first in the world in rubber production. In India, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Assam and Tripura are the major rubber producing states. Right. So dear children, these were the major cash crops of India. After the cash crops, now let's move on to condiments or spices. India contributes about 35% in the world production of condiments. दुनिया में जितने भी condiments टोटल बनते हैं उनमें से उन टोटल प्रोडक्शन में से 35% प्रोडक्शन तो इंडिया से ही होता है। इंडियन ब्लैक पेपर, cinnamon, clove, etc. are in great demand all over the world. India ranks first in the production and export of dried coriander, fenugreek, mustard and ajwain. In India, Gujarat ranks first in the production of cumin seeds, fennel seeds and isabgol in the world. Some Indian condiments and spices include medicinal plants also like ashwagandha, tulsi, karyatu, mindhi aval, white musli, ashok, madhu, nashini, garmalo, galo and aloe vera. Some of them include flavored crops also such as mint, menthol, palm brusa and lemon grass. So dear children, this was something about condiments. After the condiments, now let's move on to fruits and vegetables of India. In the production of fruits, India ranks second after China. यानी फ्रूट्स उगाने में भी नंबर 1 पे चाइना ही है, भारत नंबर 2 पर आता है। Various fruits are grown in India. For example, bananas are grown more in Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. Apples are grown more in Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, while grapes are grown more in Uttarakhand, Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. In India, the grape production is less than demand. जितनी डिमांड है इंडिया में ग्रेप्स की उतना प्रोडक्शन हम नहीं कर पाते, इसीलिए सो दे आर इम्पोर्टेड फ्रॉम अफगानिस्तान एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया. Besides, various vegetables are also grown in India. Even flowers like rose, jui, mogro, and galgota are grown in India. So, dear children, these were the cash crops, condiments, fruits, and vegetables of India. That's all in today's session. See you soon with a new topic and a new hope of learning something new. Till then, wish you all the very best with today's learning. Bye.